Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi responding to a heated interview with a CNN host over LGBT rights during CNN's coverage of the Orlando nightclub shooting. Channel 4's Scott Johnson's been reviewing Bondi's interview with Anderson Cooper, as well as getting response from Bondi's office. Scott joins us live. Scott?
Well, Stacey, Anderson Cooper questioned her quite a lot about her record with the LGBT community. But Pam Bondi is saying this was not fair, saying he lured her into an interview under false pretenses. The interview started with a question about scam artists using this tragedy to take advantage of people. Then it quickly took a different track when Anderson Cooper started asking Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi how she can offer support to the victims in the Orlando massacre, while only a couple years ago her office was arguing against legalizing gay marriage in Florida.
You argued that in court.
My lawyer argued a case defending what the Supreme Court allowed the voters to put in our state constitution. But
you were arguing that gay marriage, if there was gay marriage, if there was same-sex marriage, that would do harm to the people of Florida.
The interview lasted more than 5 minutes with a back and forth between the two as Cooper continued hitting Bondi with questions about whether she's ever said anything publicly that was positive about the LGBT community.
I've never said I don't like gay people. That's ridiculous.
But do you worry about using language accusing gay people of trying to do harm to the people of Florida when doesn't that send a message to some people who might have bad ideas in mind?
Anderson, I don't believe gay people could do harm to the state of Florida.
Bondi has been fighting back. She went on a New York radio show saying CNN misled her, telling Bondi that the interview was about fighting scam artists and price gouging. And then, after the interview aired, Bondi says CNN cut out the questions about the scams when the interview was posted online, only posting the LGBT portion of the interview.
He completely flipped, got into a constitutional issue, of course, that was in the Florida Constitution. You know what? There's a time and place for everything, but yesterday wasn't the time nor the place in front of a hospital when we could have been helping victims. And Anderson Cooper is the champion for the LGBT community, and he could have been helping people yesterday. So I was disappointed in that. I was extremely disappointed in that. And it just wasn't the time nor the place.
And so I looked into this on CNN's website. They've posted two versions that I could find of this interview. First, they posted the raw, unedited version. It's about 6.5 minutes long. The first 57 seconds focus on those other issues, like the scams possibly hitting Florida residents. The rest of it is all about this LGBT issue. They also posted another version online that just focuses on that. That's about the other 5.5 minutes. I reached out to Anderson Cooper's producer at CNN to see if they could respond to what Bondi is saying. So far, I have not heard a response. We're live tonight. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.